Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Dovelin C. Salazar. I am 38 years old. I live in Punta, San Francisco, Southern Leyte, Philippines. I am a high school graduate. I am happily married. I have one son, and his age is 16 years old now. My first work experience was in JEDA KSA for 2 years and 2 months. I have an excellent work with them as a full-time nanny and helper. There are 7 members of the family, Madam, Sir, and 5 kids. Kids' ages are 9, 7, and 5 years old girls, one 3-year-old boy, and one newborn baby boy. My main duties are taking care of the kids, taking them to shower, feeding them, and playing with them too. And I take and fetch them from school too. After I take them to school, I do my household chores, like cleaning, washing clothes, and ironing. My second work experience was in Hong Kong for only 2 months. There are 3 members of the family, Madam, Sir, and the one 3-year-old girl. I do cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and cooking. I had break my contract with them for some valid good reasons. My third work experience was in Ras Al Khaimah, UAE for only 1 year and 11 months. There are 4 members of the family. All of them are adults. My main duties are cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, and ironing. To my future employer, I am happy to see you soon. I hope you will choose me. I will assure you that you will not regret of choosing me because I am a trustworthy, kind, loving, and caring helper. Thank you and God bless you.